think you are. Whoa. Man, that thing moves. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Oh. You don't know what to make of that, do you, kitty? Watch out, kitty. It's gonna move. Whoa. So basically, I got this out of the package and I didn't even have to do anything. It started spinning on its own. So it came with a charge already. I love that the ends light up like that. And it came with two different attachments. One was a feather, which is on there now. And then another is just a yellow ball on top. I kind of figured my cat would prefer the feathers. So yeah, I think this is going to be a great toy. So awesome.